Always refer to your installation instructions, as it is the primary source of information regarding your appliance. The most important part of your dryer is the vent system. And there's one thing that you can do to make sure that it is operating properly, and that is to order a dryer vent test kit. And we're going to show you how to use it in just a second. So here is your dryer vent test kit. There are actually two tests here. One is for a lint screen that is in the top of the dryer, and this one is for the lint screen that has the lint screen in the front of the dryer. And this is the one we're going to concentrate on today. So you break it all apart, and we're going to show you how to mount this properly inside the dryer. Well, we have our instructions here in front of me. We've got the dryer ready to go, and this is how the test kit is going to hang inside the dryer, just like this. Now notice the word front. Front goes toward the front of the dryer. That's really important. So we're going to show you how to mount it on the inside. Now, the instructions here says some model designs make the top row of the slots too small for the hanger. Do not force the fit. For those models, use the second and fourth row of slots. We're going to show you exactly what we're talking about. Let's go on the inside. Now you're going to have to get your head in there. And for this model, it seems to work just fine on the second row. And we're going to hang it. Close it up, and we're going to run the cycle for 15 seconds. Now I notice that our card is still hanging. If the card is still hanging, it means that I have an obstruction somewhere in the vent system and it has to be cleaned out. Now if you find that your card is rolling around on the inside of the dryer, it means that your vent system was pulling the card off of the tab here, and that means you've got a good vent system. Dryers with a top-mounted lint screen. Break apart the retainer and the hanger. Assemble the retainer and hanger as shown. Insert the hanger's rounded pegs into the top round holes, third from the left, of the exhaust vent. This vent is located inside the dryer on the right side of the rear wall and is painted white. Check to make sure the lint screen is clean and in place. Close the dryer door and run the dryer for 15 seconds. If the card is still hanging, it means you need to have your vent system cleaned. If the card is off the hanger, your vent system is working properly. When using your dryer vent test kit, make sure that you read your instructions carefully for the best results.